Best customers in the world out here.
Hi guys, so I am at Ashley Stores right now. I'm trying to buy a sectional for our living room. We got a sectional and we didn't like it. It didn't look really nice in the house, so I came back to buy another one to look at the other pieces that they had. And this store, the one which was closer to our house, had better selection. So yeah, I'm excited guys, and I can't wait for you guys to see the chair. So I'm actually sitting on it. It's really nice and soft and everything. So yeah guys, I'll keep you updated. Beautiful. So this is what I'm going to get. I'm going to get this one over here, and okay, no problem. So I'm going to get this one, which is like the sectional, the chaise lounge, and then like 4 sitting. And then so the original is this one, which is 3,126, and I think it's this one because this looks bigger. No, it's the same. Yeah, but I'm going to get this one because I want to be able to put like an accent chair, and I thought as having like 6 will help, but with how we sit. I think I got either this one, and it's like 1,700. Yeah, so I'm excited guys. I'll keep you updated.
No problem, man.
Okay.
Y'all want us to introduce ourselves and nothing like that, do it?
No.
No, y'all good. I might get on my 15 minutes of fame. Yeah, that's all I get. We out here working hard.
Oh, you can, if you don't mind, you can introduce yourself.
Tampa, Florida. Got the best customers in the world out here.
Yes.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.